Welcome to the Layout 8000 video training series. During this video, we will demonstrate how to set up your add list columns and save them as default. Depending on what front-end system you currently have, you may be being sent different information about your ads that is outlined in the add list. Before organizing your columns, it's a good idea to check to see what columns actually do have data in them. Once that's resolved, you can right-click on any column down on your add list. It'll bring up a drop-down menu. Drop down to Column Selection, and then select Columns. Now you'll get a dialog up called Column Selection. If you want to hide columns, you click the arrows between the hidden columns and visible columns. For instance, if I wanted to hide my lock column, I would click the arrow in between hidden columns and visible columns here. You can also fix a column in Layout 8000, meaning that column will be locked in place, regardless of where you scroll to the right in your list. For instance, if I fix the add number, which it already is in this list, I can scroll all the way to the right on my add list, and I will see the add number column the whole time. To increase the size of a column, you will click the plus and minus signs in the bottom right hand corner. So if I wanted my advertiser field to be more than or less than 30, I want it to be 20. Decrease the size to 20 there. If you wanted to move my advertiser up or down in the list, which is left or right in this list, see number is the leftmost, number is the topmost here in this list. So if I want an advertiser to move a little bit left in the list, I would move that up in the list under visible columns. If I click apply here, you'll see that now my advertiser moves over here. It's shrunk up to 20 characters. And again, if I right click again, go to column selection and select columns, and maybe I want to save this as a certain list, so I'm going to save this as my list. My list, save, and then apply. Next, I want to save this as default. If I right click on a column again and go to Save List Setup Items, now I can save my list again, or pick the one that I just saved, which is my list, and then save it as default with this radio button right here. That'll save your list as default for your particular login in Layout 8000. Thank you for your time. Until next time, this is SCS signing off. Have a great day.